The E88 Pro Drone 4K Professional HD Dual Camera Visual Positioning RC Quadcopter Wi-Fi FPV Height Hold Foldable Wide-Angle Airplane is a versatile and affordable drone that is perfect for beginners and experienced pilots alike. It features a 4K dual camera that can capture stunning photos and videos, as well as a variety of flight modes and features that make it easy to fly and control. Here are some of the key features of the E88 Pro Drone. 4K Dual Camera. The E88 Pro Drone features a 4K dual camera that can capture high-resolution photos and videos from both the front and bottom of the drone. This makes it perfect for aerial photography and videography, as well as for capturing unique perspectives. Visual Positioning. The E88 Pro Drone uses visual positioning to maintain a stable flight. This makes it easier to fly the drone in windy conditions and to hover in place. Foldable Design. The E88 Pro Drone is foldable, making it easy to transport and store. Wi-Fi FPV. The E88 Pro Drone supports Wi-Fi FPV, which allows you to see a live video feed from the drone's camera on your smartphone or tablet. This makes it easier to fly the drone and to capture the perfect shot. Height Hold. The E88 Pro Drone features a height hold mode that allows you to maintain a constant altitude while flying. This makes it easier to take photos and videos without having to worry about the drone drifting up or down. Other features. The E88 Pro Drone also features a variety of other features, including headless mode, one-key return, and trajectory flight. These features make the drone even easier to fly and control. Overall, the E88 Pro Drone 4K Professional HD Dual Camera Visual Positioning RC Quadcopter Wi-Fi FPV Height Hold Foldable Wide-Angle Airplane is a great choice for anyone looking for a versatile and affordable drone. It is easy to fly,